Love is powerful.
Baby, it's been 5 months now that we are dating, and I've seen all the qualities that I need in a woman in you. I'll take this relationship to another level. Please, will you marry me?
Can you pay my bride price? It's just $1 million.
It is true that if Mohammed does not go to the mountain will come and meet Mohammed. We've been dating for the past 7 years, and you never proposed to me. Today, you have no choice but to say yes to my proposal. Oh yeah, so no, will you marry me?
Jesus is Lord. Apostle, we hear of this.
Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord. Thank you for saving me.
Shake your body up. It's not the time to dance, not the time to the best. Hey, this kind of music you go try to dance slow and steady. You know to give you stress. Anything where I be today, now Baba God, all the goodness and mercies which Jehovah they give to me, they make me happy. Yeah.